Hello my friends! So in this hopefully short video you can watch me trying to upgrade my Tele with this bridge Filtertron pickup. I got this pickup a few years ago and it's one of the nice Filtertrons with Alnico magnets. Obviously this pickup will not fit in this bridge. So I know I could buy a bridge plate that will actually hold a Filtertron sized pickup, but wouldn't it be more fun if I could make it myself? Oh, and in case you were wondering, I'm actually using blades that were specially made for metal cutting.